from AlphaCars and welcome to our service shop. We're doing a couple of cool things today. The Lada 2109 is getting ready for delivery. It's a birthday gift from the group of friends to their friend from Russia. And we have a Jeep here that's getting ready for delivery as well. And the main attraction has been for the last few days is this VW Golf diesel with only 90,000 miles on the clock. And we don't know why, but the car came in, it's been to several shops, and it was blowing white smoke, dumping fuel in the cylinders. We've done extensive diagnostic work, followed up by verification with the borescope. We found scoring in the cylinders, at least in one cylinder, which resulted in recommendation to replace the engine. Our team found an outstanding, cost-efficient option with the used engine with only 30,000 miles. You can see it looks very, very nice. Here's the EGR cooler on the side that looks like brand new. Our technician is finishing up with a part swap. This is how the turbo looks when it's off the engine, this cute little thing. Here's the diesel engine, modern diesel engine catalytic converter with a bunch of sensors, flex pipe. It's a piece of art. And the engine itself, you can see again in amazing condition. We've done a lot of shopping and found this engine with a little over 30,000 miles. So finalizing parts transfers and then some verifications, and then the engine is gonna, the drivetrain actually with the transaxle, is gonna find its way back into the vehicle itself. Check out how VW looks without the drivetrain. All the front end parts had to come out. They're here on the floor. And then the drivetrain was removed with the defective engine. And then the transmission was detached from the defective engine. And then the new, not the new, but quality pre-owned engine. It was road tested for over 30,000 miles and proved to be an excellent engine. We installed the transaxle on it, transferred all the parts, and it's ready to go back in the vehicle.